Let us discuss the significance of POS systems for retailers. If you operate or manage a retail shop, you understand the importance of having a robust point of sale system. A POS system not only helps you to handle transactions swiftly and effectively, but it also gives vital insights into the sales statistics of your firm. That's why hearing that QuickBooks point of sale is being phased out has always been disheartening. However, there is no need to be concerned because Shopify POS has arrived to take its place. Here are some of the reasons why you should migrate to Shopify POS. A smooth transition. When QuickBooks POS announced its retirement, one of the main worries was how difficult the changeover would be for current clients. Fortunately, Shopify has made the transfer as easy as possible. In reality, many QuickBooks POS customers have commented that the transition was simple and straightforward. Furthermore, with Shopify's 24/7 support staff on hand to assist with any queries or problems, you can be confident that you'll be up and running on Shopify POS in no time. Click the link below to speak with an expert about if switching is the best option for you. Insights and analytics. Another major selling point for Shopify POS is the insights and analytics it delivers into your company's sales data. You'll be able to watch your inventory levels in real time, discover which goods are selling well and which aren't, and gain a better knowledge of your customers' purchasing patterns using Shopify POS. This vital data may assist you in making more educated business decisions, which can lead to improved sales and profitability. Make the change today. If you're still using QuickBooks POS, now is the time to upgrade to Shopify POS. Shopify Point of Sale is the obvious option for retail enterprises of all sizes thanks to its simple interface, rich insights and analytics, and world-class support team. So what are you holding out for? Make the switch right now. To speak with an expert one-on-one, click the link below.